Here's a unique kind of custom rat rod looking Model T mod with a Farmall front end on it basically, and a Pinto motor and transmission in it and differential. Look at this thing. A friend of mine owns this place here, so if you live there and want a home, give him a call. But he has this as kind of an advertisement, but drives it around slowly, car shows and things like that. But kind of a neat build. A lot of little cool things on it. Had it here. We're doing some work on the steering. It's really hard to steer, obviously. Hard to drive too. Got some cool stuff done to it there. Just all sorts of little things, including a Uga horn there. Modern low car shifter in there, and a Speedway gas pedal, but everything else is old stuff. Some deadbolt door latches. Anyway, kind of neat. So you can see a lot of the differences of our custom little things like this hitch and weirdo stuff put in there. Big old long arms on that differential all the way back there. And that C4 transmission behind that Pinto 4-cylinder. That exhaust is all custom made. Sounds actually pretty good. No front brakes in the true Model T fashion. Got him a chicken for his chicken coop. So, just a neat rat rod. Thought I'd show it off while it was here at the shop.